Why you should think twice before eating fish sticks. Welcome to our video on why you should think twice before eating fish sticks. Fish sticks are a popular, convenient, and kid-friendly food. However, there are several reasons why you might want to reconsider adding them to your regular diet. In this video, we'll explore the potential health, environmental, and nutritional concerns associated with fish sticks. Let's dive in. 1. Highly processed nature. Fish sticks are a highly processed food. The process involves taking white fish, often of lower quality, and adding various fillers, preservatives, and artificial ingredients to enhance flavor, texture, and shelf life. This level of processing can strip the fish of its natural nutrients and add unwanted additives to your diet. 2. Low-quality fish. Many fish sticks are made from low-quality fish, such as pollock, or other white fish that are not as nutrient-dense as fatty fish like salmon or mackerel. These fish often contain fewer omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for heart and brain health. 3. High in sodium. Fish sticks can be high in sodium, which is used as a preservative and flavor enhancer. Excessive sodium intake is linked to high blood pressure, heart disease, and stroke. It's important to read nutrition labels and be mindful of your daily sodium consumption. 4. High in unhealthy fats. Fish sticks are typically breaded and fried, which can increase their calorie content and introduce unhealthy fats. The breading and frying process often involves trans fats and unhealthy oils, which can contribute to heart disease and other health issues. 5. Added sugars and fillers. Many fish sticks contain added sugars and fillers to improve taste and texture. These additives can contribute to a higher calorie count without providing any nutritional benefits. Consuming too much added sugar is linked to various health problems, including obesity, diabetes, and tooth decay. 6. Environmental concerns. The sourcing of fish for fish sticks raises environmental concerns. Overfishing and unsustainable fishing practices can deplete fish populations and harm marine ecosystems. Additionally, some fish sticks come from fish farms that may not adhere to sustainable or ethical practices, leading to pollution and habitat destruction. 7. Mercury and contaminants. Fish can contain mercury and other contaminants, which accumulate in the food chain. While white fish used in fish sticks generally have lower mercury levels compared to larger predatory fish, there is still a risk of exposure. Mercury can have detrimental effects on the nervous system, particularly in young children and pregnant women. 8. Lack of nutritional value. Compared to fresh fish, fish sticks generally offer lower nutritional value. Fresh fish provides essential nutrients such as omega-3 fatty acids, high-quality protein, vitamins, and minerals. Fish sticks, on the other hand, are often nutritionally inferior due to processing and added ingredients. 9. Alternatives to fish sticks. If you're looking for healthier and more sustainable seafood options, consider these alternatives. Fresh fish. Opt for fresh, wild-caught fish such as salmon, mackerel, or sardines, which are rich in omega-3 fatty acids and other nutrients. Homemade fish sticks. Make your own fish sticks using high-quality fish, whole grain breading, and baking instead of frying. Plant-based alternatives. Explore plant-based seafood alternatives made from ingredients like tofu, tempeh, or legumes. 10. Making informed choices. When it comes to choosing seafood, it's important to make informed decisions. Look for sustainably sourced fish and seafood products with certifications from organizations like the Marine Stewardship Council, Master of Science, or the Aquaculture Stewardship Council, ASC. Reading labels and being aware of the ingredients and nutritional content can help you make healthier choices. Conclusion. Fish sticks may be a convenient and tasty option, but there are several reasons to think twice before making them a regular part of your diet. From health concerns related to high sodium and unhealthy fats to environmental issues and low nutritional value, it's worth considering healthier and more sustainable alternatives. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more health information and tips. Make informed choices when it comes to your diet and prioritize fresh, whole foods for optimal health. Stay informed and take care.